Here we are with Kimberly Shoemaker and our wonderful new beautiful black tri-male puppy out of Smoking Joe and Wolf Creek. She's just the one. This is a beautiful tri right here that's got beautiful markings, beautiful conformation quality, and we're just really proud of this puppy. And he's going home to a really nice home in Charlotte, North Carolina, and we just hope that this puppy makes her and Robert so very happy. He is a beautiful boy. We're real proud of him.
Yeah, and hi, sweetie.
I'm going to get a little close to him here and see his real pretty features.
Look, Carter. Look. Hi, boy.
Look at that head and that snout. What beautiful markings and big boned
Hi.
he is.
You show off for the camera? Hi.
Kimberly, is there anything you'd like to say?
Well, I am so excited to bring Carter home. He's going to a very loving home with another big sister, Aussie. And we're excited to be Aussie parents again because I think this little guy picked us. We didn't pick him. He just gravitated toward us, and we were looking for somebody really loving and sweet, and we found little Carter. So we're super excited and ready to get him home. Cooper Kennels, just can't say enough about how wonderful they are. Jean and Linda love these dogs. Love them, kiss on them, hug them. I'm just so excited. I can't say enough about how much they love these dogs. And so it's nice to know that they came from a good home. I told him I'd bring Carter back to see Grandpa anytime.
Well, thank you so very much, and we're happy for him to go home with you, and we try our very best to strive for the highest in quality that we possibly can produce, and we love them as a family and all, but one of the things that we do is make sure they go to a wonderful home. That way we feel good about it, and we know where he's going, and hopefully one day he'll even get to see the show ring. But anyway, thank you so very much.
Say thank you. Say bye-bye.